Hi, everyone. So the scenario that we are going to be talking about today is going to be taking place in a small elementary school, like here in Rexburg, and where the population is predominantly LDS. And the teacher will be covering social studies today and teaching about differences in cultures and religions. And a project that the students will be assigned is to make presentations in front of the class about their families with different pictures.
And so we got the objectives from the Common Core standards under social studies. Um, and the one we're focusing on is um, that students will share stories, pictures, and music of one's own personal life, family, and culture.
So our scenario of the problem occurring will happen when the students are presenting their pictures of their families to the class. And there may be a student or two that presents their pictures and they don't have a mom and dad in the picture. They have two moms or two dads in the picture. And another student may raise their hand or yell something out like, that's not a family. You have to have a mom and a dad to have a family. And this might be an LDS student who's been taught this their whole lives in their homes. And this is something that will really cause discussion in the classroom to go in the wrong direction. So we want to address this issue by stopping our presentations. So our activities in the day will be postponed to make time for this group discussion. And we want to explain to them that a family means something different to different people. So we're going to have a document about just like a standard Google definition of what it means to be a family. It says it means the people who accept you no matter who you are, where there's no hatred or judgment. The love of a family should be unconditional, and everyone should try their best to provide all they can for the people in their family, emotionally and financially. A family enlarges their children and educates their children. So we're going to base our lesson plan off of this definition and the world's general view so that we can show LDS students as well as non-members who may have gay or lesbian parents that families can mean whatever it means to their family, and it doesn't need to be a conflict in the classroom. So this will affect our day, and we plan on making sure that our students walk away from the discussion feeling included and like they can get along with all the other students in their classroom and that their differences don't have to cause an issue.